I'm Michael Perkins. I've been with Hanson for 18 years now. I have worked in the pack products division and I moved over to aggregates about 4.5 years ago. Hanson Aggregates at Dagenham is one of the busiest sites within the whole of the southeast of England. So the sand and gravel plant here, we're going to produce circa 1.5 million tonne of material this year, and we also import around 800 to 1 million tonne of limestone into the site as well. It's a 24/7 operation, 365 days a year. We have a very long but very narrow site, so one of the difficulties that we have is traffic management on site. Over the years we had noticed there was an increase between mobile plant and vehicles, mainly lorries, and we had to look at a way of reducing the amount of incidences that we were having on site. So we've done that by putting in place ZoneSafe along with CCTV and a solar powered pedestrian crossing. We trialled that down on the wharf, sand and gravel plant, and combining those three have worked incredibly well for us. From that, we've decided to implement ZoneSafe on all of our other machines that we've got on site and use it throughout the whole site for pedestrian and vehicle access and management on site. Getting from an operational area to the jetty was one of our key focal points, but at the same time making sure that we could let the shovel driver or the mobile plant operators know that there was either a pedestrian or a vehicle within that working area was key to reducing the amount of accidents and incidences that we had on site. The safety culture on site has improved. ZoneSafe has been a massive health and safety improvement, not only for people visiting, people working on site, but for our own peace of mind as well. It massively helps identify and reduce the risk, because you can pick up a full 360-degree signal of what may or may not be within that area that you're working in. Business on a whole had identified that there was scope for improvement. That is for everybody to be involved, so that includes the health and safety team down to the guys and the girls on the shop floor. It's got to have that one team ethic and that one team culture, having the girls and the guys know that they can make a mistake, they're not going to be punished for it. They need to learn from the mistakes, but also we need to share that amongst ourselves as a group, and we do that here at Dagenham. We have weekly, monthly, quarterly meetings. Now in the weekly and monthly meetings it may just be our aggregates division that sit down with our staff and we go through good and bad points, but on quarterly basis we'll sit all of the divisions down on site, so it'll be asphalt, concrete, the aggregates team, and we'll go through good and bad. What have we all learned? What have we done right? What have we done wrong? And we share that information. Now we don't just share it locally within this site. If there's anything that we can learn from it, we'll share with other managers and other units, because there could be good things that they've taken from what we've done as well. Our health and safety culture is changing. It's changing for the better. We're moving forward fast, and the only way we can do that is to have absolutely everybody involved. As we've brought new people, younger people into the business, people that have got no knowledge of our industry whatsoever, we've been able to take them on board, provide them with the right training, the right health and safety mentality, and by doing that and working together, it's managed us to get everybody on board with the new health and safety culture that we want to take forward, and that's throughout the whole of Hanson. Prior to us installing ZoneSafe, we had one incident on site that could have led to a £60,000 claim due to damages. Thankfully, with the CCTV that we had in place and then looking at installing the ZoneSafe as we did, we've been able to eliminate all of those incidences that could have happened, and there has been a few that could have happened as time has gone on. So to us, the cost of the ZoneSafe system, is it worth the money? 100%.